I've never led a haka in front of people. This is my first time. Terrified, I'm so scared right now. But yeah, doing this, making sure everyone knows what they're doing, it's making me feel a bit better.
It's very cool.
I didn't actually think I'd get to the end of the schools, but because I had such a great team, I got to push through, and I got to the end. I'm proud of myself. I had an amazing tutor. He actually cared about me, and he made me feel like a part of the team. I had fun, and I'm very glad I got to do this. I got to meet heaps of new people. I got to build a new family, and I'm really happy about that.